brown sugar, babe. I guess high off your love, I don't know how to behave.
What's up, Flavor Squad? It's your girl Fashionisha here to give you all the flavor. If you are new here, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you comment down below hashtag Flavor Squad. If you are not new here, I thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an Amazon haul. So basically this is like a pop-up shop essentials Amazon haul. That's a long title, but that's what this is. So I'm just going to unbox everything that I have for the event. We're basically just going to do like an Amazon unboxing and show you guys what I have found on Amazon to be necessary for this event that I have coming up and other events in the future, of course. So like next time I won't have to buy all this, it'll just be me going to the event. I don't need all this, but I felt like these things were essential for, you know, this go round. So first we have this package. I really don't even know what this is. I really don't even know what most of this stuff is, but we're about to find out. It might not even be nothing. Alright, so this ain't nothing pertaining to the event. This is actually some lashes. Oh, I can show you guys this. It's already open. I got this little light box. Hope you guys can see it. I got this little light box so I can put, you know, words in there, some sort of sign. Got that. I'll make sure to link everything down in the description box below for sure, so don't worry. This is, I think it's like 8 inches. It's not the big one, it's like the small one. I didn't think the big one's necessary. Now I don't know what this is. It's heavy though. Y'all order so much stuff, I don't even remember, but this is heavy. What is this? Oh, these are the bags that I ordered from Amazon. Really nice bags. So they're just some matte black, I would say, square shopping bags. This is what they look like. Super cute. So when somebody buys something at my booth at the event, this is the bag that their items will come in. It's like a 16-inch bag by 12, I think. Pretty large bag. It's enough. It's big enough to fit maybe like one hoodie in there, a sweatsuit in there, you know, multiple t-shirts. It's big enough for that. So I love these bags. I was wondering, what is this? It was very heavy. All right, they're nice quality bags. They're not thin or anything. Put these back up there. I love those bags. Alright, what's next? I think I know what this is. Oh yeah. So this is basically a cash box. It has like a little area where you can put a password on it. I actually want to open this up, see what it looks like. It's a nice size. I think it's like medium size, not too big. But basically, if I take any cash, anybody wants to pay in cash at the event, this is where we would put it. So I'm not just hauling around cash in my pocket or anything. Let's see what it looks like on the inside. Alright, now how you open this thing? Okay. Where'd this go? Alright, so it literally looks like a little cash register in here. Oh. Has a little money divider spots. The divider spots for the change. Literally a little cash register. So cute. And you can set your password, lock it just like that, unlock it just like that. Really good quality. It's not plastic. It's more of a, it's definitely more of some type of metal, aluminum or something like that. Really nice quality. Next, let's see what we got. There's a couple things in here. Alright, so first I got these little, I guess you would call them table toppers or something like that. So basically they look like this. I hope you can see that. They look like this. You just set them on the table. So my idea is to have cards with prices on them and just stick them in the table topper and just have the prices sitting next to the item. Just so no one is wondering how much something costs. They can clearly see what the price is. So that's what these are for. Then I got, basically this is like a headphone hook. And so you just hook it onto the table. And you're supposed to be able to hang your headphones there. So I'm gonna hook this on my table and have my bags hanging right there on the table, just so I'm not reaching for the bags, hunting for the bags, trying to figure out where the bags are. They're gonna be right there on the table on these hooks. So I can just grab a bag, put the person's garments in the bag, and make that as smooth as possible. I got 2 of those, by the way. And then I got some LED lights. So basically this is just for the ambiance of my setup, my booth. I think I'm gonna have the tent, and then I want to have lights inside of the tent, if that makes sense, just to make it a little more fun and a little more inviting. So that's why I got the lights. Smart LED strip lights. They're 100 feet long, and I believe they connect to Bluetooth or something like that, and they sync with the music, things like that. Normal LED light stuff. I got another clothing rack. I think this is a black one. Yeah, because I have a white one. So my theme for this setup that I have going on is black and white. I probably insert a picture here. I kind of did my own little design on Procreate of how I wanted to look, just so I can envision it before I actually do it. So yeah, this is going to be the setup. So I have a black clothing rack to go with my white one, since it's like a black and white thing that I'm doing. Next we get, I don't know what's in this box, honestly. This is a big box. I think I know what it is, actually. I think it's a wagon. I don't know. Yes, it is a wagon. Oh Lord. Woo. This is heavy. Alright. So I got this wagon because the last few times that I've done events or something like that, I think one time we had to like haul everything and walk. There was a couple times where we could pull up to the actual station. If it was outside, we could pull up to it and set up like that, which was cool because, I mean, you got your stuff in your car, pull your car up, you're fine. But this event is going to be inside, and I know for sure, like, I can't just pull my car up. I know we're going to probably have to go up steps or elevator or something like that. So I definitely want to get this wagon just to make it easier on us when we're carrying things up. Yeah, I'm not opening this up. Or should I open it to show y'all? Okay, I'm gonna show you. I hope I don't gotta put nothing together. It look like I gotta put something together. What is this? Oh Lord. This ain't heavy. Can I just pull? Alright, yeah. This is the wagon collapsed, and it should be pretty easy to open up if the reviews were right. Yeah. Oh, this is big. Oh, so this is the wagon. Oh, there's a lot going on here. This is the wagon. That's the inside of it. It's pretty big. You can get a lot of stuff in here. And I think just to collapse it, you just pull this back up, push it together. Yeah, that's pretty easy. Pretty simple. I don't know what this extra stuff is. Oh, it's probably the wheels. Okay. Because it does come with wheels. So I think that's what this stuff is. Just the wheels. Then, I don't know what this is. I guess you put this in the bottom of the wagon. Yeah. definitely something you gotta put together just a little bit. Yeah, you just put that in the bottom of the wagon. This right here is a spinny wheel thingy. A spin the wheel thingy-mabob. So basically my idea for this is to have this set up by the cash register. Basically, so when somebody's checking out, you know, ask them, hey, do you want to save some money? If they say, oh yeah, I want to save some money, which they probably are, I'm gonna say, okay, well, just sign up right here with your email and you can spin the wheel to save $1, $10, $5, free t-shirts, something like that. So yeah, that's my idea with this. And I think that'll really help, you know, get some data, get some emails, phone numbers, so that we can have a bigger set of data, a larger set of data. I know for sure that I have to put this together because I also, I saw somebody else that's doing the event that had this as well. And I was like, dang, we got the same idea. But she was putting it together. And I know for sure I'm not doing that tonight, but I'm gonna take it out and at least show you guys the big part of it, show you guys how big it is. I think it's about 24 inches. I'm confused. I know you're not supposed to cut towards yourself, but whatever. Yeah, I'll show you guys this little thingy. This is big. I didn't know it was gonna be this big. Hey, the bigger the better, right? Ooh, it looks so fun. And that's what you want to think about when you're having an event. Think about different ways you can pull people in. Different ways to get people's attention, get their eyes. And this was just one of the things I came up with. So this is what it looks like. It's huge. This thing is big. I like it though. I mean, I want it to be exciting. I want it to be, you know, eye-catching. Like, what is that thing over there? So, I'm excited to put this into action. This is nice. So, this is our last box. I honestly don't know what's in here, but let's find out. Okay, this isn't quite for the event, but it is. So as you know, I am a content creator, YouTuber, content on TikTok, content on Instagram, content. So of course, this event, I'm going to be creating content, and I needed to get a bigger electronic bag. So basically, this is my camera bag right now. This is my camera bag right now. Way too small for my camera. So I'm going from this to this, and I can fit my external hard drive in here. I can fit my camera in here. I should be able to fit the tripod on the side of here. So yeah, all of my chargers, all of my SD cards, mics, all of that good stuff can definitely go in here so that it's not just everywhere. So I got that. Actually, let me open up, see what it looks like. Alright, so that's the space. Oh, that's the space inside right there. Got a couple pockets. Pockets on the front. I would have gotten like a pink bag, but you know, my man carries this too, so I didn't want to get a pink bag. So it has some pockets on the outside, and it also has a compartment space up here as well. Really nice. Then it has a little pocket here. You can just stick your tripod in, put it through this little thing, and your tripod is held right there. Oh, it's also a little pocket, zipper pocket at the bottom too. So it's a lot of extra space in here, which I needed. So I'm glad I got that. Oh, this is just a dog seat. This is a seat cover for my car for the dog because she is traveling with us. I'm not gonna open it. Lastly, I just look like this. Lastly, we have a poster stand holder. I think it's supposed to be 2 in here. So basically, once again, this is just signage in my booth to say, I don't know what I plan to put on here, but just some type of pricing, any type of information that I do want to write on here, I can. If I want to write just welcome to Dynamic Fashion, blah, blah, blah on there, I can. Just another thing to bring in eyes and bring awareness to your booth. Oh, okay, they're definitely smaller than I thought. I'm sure I just didn't know the sizing. But that's cool though, because I don't, this spin the wheel thing is already big, so basically this is what it looks like. It's just a whiteboard. And so basically once you build this whole thing, it stands up like this. It's just like a little sign that you can have sitting there with whatever you want to say on there. Alright y'all, so that's all I have for you with this Amazon unboxing pop-up essential video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, got some very good tips out of here. I hope that you got some ideas and that this sparks your imagination for your next event. Once again, I will link everything down in the description box below so that it's easier for you to access. Let me know what else you guys would like to see down in the comment section below. Make sure you check out our website, www.dynamicxfashion.com. Check out our hoodies. The blueprint is black hoodies. Only for February. So after February, these will be gone. So get them while you can. That's all I got for you guys. So continue to change, progress, grow, and be dynamic. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.